I got a phone call from a lady just the other day who was very, very concerned. Her mother just passed away and she was unemployed, the woman. So we had mom and daughter. Daughter was unemployed, just broke up with her boyfriend of a long time, and she had no money to her name. So she asked me, hey, I'm unmarried, unemployed, and I'm not a super sharp person. I don't know if I can do this. Am I even qualified to take care of my mother's estate? And the answer was yes, she is qualified. But there are other qualifications that make it so you cannot serve as executor of your mother's estate. So today I wanted to talk about what qualifications must you have to serve as an executor, as a trustee of someone's estate. So if you want to have any questions about this, you can email me directly, Derek, D-E-R-E-K, at legionlawpllc.com, or go to my website, www.legionlawpllc.com. So with that, I wanted to talk about qualifications. What do you need to have in order to serve as somebody in an executor or as a trustee? And the answer is not much. You really just have to be somebody who's of moral turpitude and not a criminal, essentially. You have to be older than 18 and not a convicted felon, more specifically. So in Texas, they don't care if you're married, they don't care if you have a job or if you don't have a job, they don't care if you've gone to finance school or if you've gone to art school, nothing like that. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to serve as an executor for anyone because I'm a political science major and nobody taught me numbers, so I would be screwed. But nonetheless, they don't care. They really don't care as long as you haven't committed a felony and you're older than 18, really. But even then, if you committed a felony in Texas, I want to correct myself, committed a felony and you were convicted of it by a jury, or a judge. So if you're a convicted felon, you most likely will not be able to serve. However, there are new laws that just came out in Texas that said, if you are a convicted felon, a judge has the option to look at your felony and determine if that felony had anything to do with your ability to serve as an executor. If the answer is no, you're fine. And in theory, a judge could possibly let you serve as an executor of someone's estate. That's not a guarantee. It's not a good situation to be in the first place, but if you're a convicted felon, it is possible. So there are those who are convicted of marijuana possession, for instance, and many judges might say, I think marijuana possession has little to do with your ability to serve as an executor. So great, then you probably could serve as an executor. Other judges may think, yeah, that is connected, and I'm not going to let you serve. So it just depends on the judge at that point. But really, very few people are convicted felons, so that's good news. And even if you are, there is a way to possibly serve as an executor. Now, obviously, if you're committed of financial crimes or fraud or money laundering or something, that's a different story. But there are ways to get around that. So that's kind of the qualification requirements. Nothing too crazy. I wouldn't sweat it too bad. And most people in the world are going to be able to help their mothers out whenever they pass away and they need to take over the estate. So if you have any other questions on this, you can email me directly, Derek, D-E-R-E-K, at legionlawpllc.com, or you can find me on my website, www.legionlawpllc.com. You go to the Contact Us page and you can schedule a free consultation over the phone directly with me, and we can chat about this and much more things. So thank you so much and have a great day.